What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in the Chevy Trax remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2014 to 2018 Chevy Trax, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and flip the key blade out. Then I'm going to hold the key fob like this so that space that the key just flipped out of is on the top. Then I'm going to come in here and get a couple fingers in here like this and put my thumb down here and then kind of peel that back cover off like that. Once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. And you may be able to get this battery out just with your finger by like pressing on it right here. But if you're unable to, you can grab a screwdriver and come down here and press in that same spot. Just press like that and it'll pop out of there. Either way, whether you use a screwdriver or just your finger, once we get that battery out, we can install our new battery. You want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. I'm going to tuck this edge in first down here like this, then snap it down into place. Then I'll snap my back cover on, fold my key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out. And I'd appreciate it. Thank you.